What's up, guys? I'm Igor. I am learning English for 6 months, but I already can speak. And now I will try to share with you my habits that improve my English skills every day. Top 5 habits that right now improve everything that you know about improving your speaking, listening, and everything skills in English. So, if you're ready, let's start. Let's try with something easy. First, watching English videos is especially important for your practice. I think you don't understand how watching videos can increase your speaking skills. But I know it's easy if you're watching. You're improving your fluent, especially with subtitles, because if you're watching something new, you increase your understanding skills. But if you don't understand everything, you need just try to translate and find new words for increase your vocabulary. But if you're a beginner and you're not a big fan for watching videos because you don't understand everything, it's completely okay. You can start with something simple. For example, Peppa Pig. It's the best. I promise. You'll get a lot. Just one daily hour, and you increase your fluently. Second, just try to think in English. I know, sometimes it's really difficult, but you can start with something simple. For example, if you're having your lunch, or jogging, maybe you're walking and speaking to friends. If you're doing something simple, just explain this. For example, I'm writing, or even right now, I'm speaking. It's completely easy. Just try. Third, speaking. Just try to speak about everything with everybody, especially if you have somebody who speaks English. You can try to talk with him, or if you don't have it, just try to find English exchange application and start to speaking with people who learning English like you. Or if you're really shy like me long time ago, you can practice with AI. Yes, I mean ChatGPT. You can start with it. Let me show, please. This is ChatGPT. Let's talk.
It sounds like you're practicing your English. Did you mean to say, let me show you something? Or were you trying to express something else?
Yes, I wanna speaking with you. Let's try with something simple. Maybe start with simple talk about learning English or something else.
That sounds great. Let's talk about.
So, number 4. Spend time in English. Yes, I'm not kidding. It's true. If you're learning English, you need to live English. You can start spend more time in English if you start watching a lot of English videos about everything. For example, English movies with subtitles. You can start with that. It's really important for you, especially if you're watching a movie that's familiar for you. I know you will understand a lot because you know it, but if you start watching it in English, you also increase your English skills. And fifth, just love your journey. If you're learning English, it's not about studying, it's about life. You need to change your lifestyle. What about me? Yeah, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. Yes, I have mistakes, a lot of mistakes, but I already trying to share with you my journey. And I know if you start love English like me, you achieve your goals. I promise. And right now, please let me say thanks, because if you're watching these videos, I know it's very important thing for you. So please don't hate me about my accent, about my mistakes, because I know I improve everything, and this is my first English video, and I know I'll see you later. Bye bye. Please subscribe if you if you wanna see something new from me, and goodbye. See you later.